I'm not showing you my ticket. You told me I could not spend the night in the airport.
No.
She's gonna talk to me like that? I'll knock her ass out.
You're not gonna touch
She
her.
needs to shut the fuck up.
It always starts the same way. Impossible demands, rude insults, and a belief they're untouchable, but the law has limits.
In your whole blood circle plasma, breath, or
When they push too far, it pushes back even harder. Watch it all unfold when super entitled Karens test the law until it breaks them.
Don't touch my boob, bitch. Do not touch my boob. There's a woman here. Do
Stop.
not touch my boob!
Listen.
On January 17th, 2025, 36-year-old Ayama was ordered to leave and barred from returning to Tampa International Airport. Just 2 days later, she was spotted walking through the airport again, violating the trespass order.
Come here for a second. Come here. No, come here. Patrol 113 Romeo. Show us on a welfare check. RCC level 4 by.
Welfare check. You said I couldn't spend
Come
the
over
night.
here for me. Come over by this wall for me.
10-4, what unit is with you?
You said I could not spend.
Do you have a ticket? You see what you got?
I'm not showing you my ticket. You told me I could not spend the night in the airport.
No.
That's not
Listen.
what. No. You said I
Can you
could not
stop
spend
talking?
the night at the airport. Then
Okay,
I
you're-
said, okay.
Despite being handcuffed, she showed no intention of calming down or cooperating with the officers.
Talking over me. You're not listening.
Then
to me.
I told you I had to get a
Do
rental
you have a
car.
boarding pass? Yes or no?
Technically, no. Yes, I do, but I'm not showing you my boarding
Okay,
pass.
turn around for me then. Put your hands behind your back. Because you're not cooperating with me. I tried to be.
Give me my, give me my pass.
No. We'll get it, but you're not going to act like this. Stop resisting. Get your cuffs out. Stop resisting. You're going to get tasered. I'm going to taser you in about 2
Taser me
seconds.
for what?
'Cause
I
you-
have a boarding pass.
No, you don't.
153 Romeo, can you head that way as well? RCC level 4 by Avis. Looks like he's resisting a
You
bit.
want them to have it all? Give it all? Okay. You can have it all.
113. We got her in cuffs. Show us 1015 for trespass after warning.
There is no trespassing at an airport with a
Why are you
boarding
acting
pass.
like this?
Because you're wrong.
No.
I never spent the night here. I went to Avis Preferred to get my points. I went and used my boarding pass, and you want to know where I'm going.
Lower your
I have a
voice.
passport, I have a
Lower your
valid
voice.
United States ID, and you're telling me that I'm trespassing by being present at an airport?
Yes.
That is illegal.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Try to be polite with you.
Okay,
and
no, you're not. You're overdoing it.
Ask you if you had a
You're
boarding pass
overdoing
and
it.
you-
You wanted to see too much.
No.
You wanted to
I
know
gotta get
too
my
much. You're a
gloves on.
complete stranger.
I gotta
You don't
get
get to
gloves
know all
on.
that.
I have them, but can you hold it?
No, you cannot.
No, I haven't. What size are these?
large.
After successfully restraining the woman, the officer decided to escort her to the patrol car. However, on the way there, she kept screaming and acting defiantly toward them.
Let's go to jail. We're
where'd
going to
you
jail,
park?
right? Let's go to jail.
No, three.
Let's go to jail and please charge us.
So we'll take her down
traveling.
there, and then we'll let Pal search her down there. Do you
No,
have anything
no,
on you?
no,
that you shouldn't have?
nothing. Let's go to jail.
We're just asking you. Do you have anything on you?
No,
that
I
we-
have nothing on me. Let's go to jail for trespassing charge at an international airport with a boarding pass and a United States passport. Let's see how that conversation goes. I want that police report.
Stop doing that.
Stop squeezing it.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, not yet.
Police brutality.
Whatever.
Oh, it's a bitch. Whatever to you two. Let's assault. Go add assault to the charge.
You
International
don't let us use that
travel.
airplane.
Yeah.
Anything on you? That's what they have?
Avis is gonna pull up my preferred number.
Do you have anything on you
Avis
that
is
you're not
gonna
supposed to have?
verify I'm a Avis preferred member with status. Let's go ahead and
Do you
go
have
there.
anything on you that's sharp or that you're not supposed to have? I've asked you that 3 times. Next to our patrol vehicle.
Are you gonna go ask them? Ma'am, did I just not come here to ask for my Avis preferred number status and did you not just tell me you couldn't look me up?
Have you been to the Hillsborough County Jail before?
No, let's go to jail. You're gonna arrest me for trespassing at the international airport with a passport in my hand and a boarding pass. I would like to. I want that.
I asked you about a boarding pass and you ripped it up and said no.
Why do I have to show you a complete
Go
stranger
to,
where
make
I'm
a step
traveling?
down. Watch your step.
No, I'll stay up. I have to tell you a complete stranger where I'm traveling to because you're who? Got it.
Well, you were trespassing.
I am
the
not
other day.
trespassing. I came here for official business and you don't even want to verify it. But don't worry.
I tried to verify.
Arrest me for being at an airport.
You are
as
under
a
arrest.
Okay, great. Let's go get that.
So just
no, arrest me.
stay right here. You are.
Arrest me.
I
I
gotta-
want to be arrested.
I have a female.
Take me to jail.
We are.
Good. Yeah.
We have a female
Make sure you
officer
book
coming
me.
to search
Make
you.
sure you book me and tell me what my charges are.
didn't
Because
know
I
that.
really want to know how you guys think you can get away with this. Don't touch my butt.
Just so you know,
Do
you're
not
on
touch
video.
my
You're on
butt.
video
Do
camera
not
right
touch
now.
my butt.
You're
Do
not.
not
You're on
touch
video
my
camera.
butt with your dirty hands. Don't touch my butt.
You're on video, so
Do not touch my butt.
there's no need
He's
for this.
touching my
okay?
butt.
It's over
He's
with.
touching my butt.
It's over with. Just
Arresting
relax.
a traveler with a. You have my passport in your hand.
Yeah, I hear
You
that.
passed Avis preferred counter. I went right to the Avis preferred counter to verify my Avis status, and you arrest me because you said I stayed the night.
It seemed this woman had no fear of legal consequences, as she kept shouting insults and even behaved inappropriately toward the officers. Clearly, she didn't even know what calm meant.
Oh,
Stop
I'm not,
reaching.
I'm not
Stop
naked.
reaching.
Oh,
Stop
ain't no
reaching.
vagina for you to see.
Stop reaching for your pockets. I got it. Turn that way. Turn that way.
Okay.
Don't look at me.
Police brutality.
I'll let Pill finish. I got
Yeah,
this.
you should. Arresting an international traveler with a passport and boarding pass because they don't know where she's going.
Can you search her?
Yeah. Okay.
I got that out of her pocket. Well, she's got pockets here. She may have pockets underneath.
Look at that. Passports. Look at that.
Just relax.
I don't tell me to relax.
Is
Take
that
me to
cotton in
jail.
your ear?
Take me to jail, and then let's see how that
cotton in
goes.
your
It's tissue. You want to take?
got
Actually,
tissue
take
in
it
it.
out. Take
Stop.
it out.
Relax.
Take it out.
Relax.
Take it out.
Relax.
Relax because you're scared because you crossed the line. You crossed the f***ing line.
I know she's got pockets underneath. her.
Oh my God, with a cell phone. Don't touch my boob, bitch. Do not touch my boob. There's
We're
a woman
trying
here.
to
Do
stop.
not touch my boob.
Listen.
Do not touch my breast.
Relax. We're just trying to search
No,
you,
you're not.
okay?
You're overstepping.
I'm under arrest, right?
Of course I'm gonna be under arrest. Go ahead, arrest me.
You are
I-
under arrest.
Yeah, take me to jail. You guys think you have power over this, right? You think it ends with arrest, right? I want to see which judge is gonna honor what you guys are about to do tonight.
You don't have anything on narcotics, anything like that, because it'll be a felony charge if you introduce it into the
Whatever,
jail.
sir. Just arrest me.
You are under arrest.
Let's book me. There's nothing else here other than you overstepping, and I would love to see that charge. Trespassing at an international airport. It's a bell. You guys not see how crazy you people look? You are wrong, but it's okay. Let's go get me arrested, put me in jail, get that record, so I don't do anything important in life, right? Arrest me. And
You
charge
are
me.
arrested.
I need a charge. Make sure
You
there's a
are.
police
Trespass
record.
after warning.
What is
Trespass after warning.
No, you said unless I had an official business here, then I can't be present. What was my official business? You have my passport. You saw my boarding pass. You know that I am an Avis preferred member. So what is my? Okay, go verify. Call Avis.
It's over.
It's not over. You're dead.
It's
But
over.
you guys are overstepping.
Be nice.
I'm not being nice. You're God. You're all God.
Be nice.
You're all God. You overstepped. Not to come back to an airport? And you guys think that's right? You guys think it's right to tell a traveler not to come back to an airport? You're smiling.
can hear
You're
you.
actually smiling.
Yeah.
You're actually smiling.
We can hear you.
You're actually smiling.
hear you.
You really think you're right to say
can
that?
hear you.
You really think you're right to tell a traveler not to come back to an airport
You're not
with a
traveling.
boarding?
You're
Who
not
told
traveling.
you that? Who told you I'm not traveling?
Because remember I asked you if you had a boarding
I
pass?
don't need to show you
And you ripped it up and threw it on the ground?
so you confirm.
Yeah, you ripped
She was finally placed inside the police car where she'll then make some more snarky remarks. And she didn't seem to realize that all of her rude and inappropriate behavior had been recorded on the officer's body cameras.
Let's go to jail. You guys really think
Oh,
this
okay.
is a problem?
Put your feet out this way.
Oh, come this way. I'm just going to put this back.
Yeah, you should do that.
Let me see your shoes.
Take the shoes. Take the shoes.
All right.
Take all the shoes.
Okay.
Anything
Thank
else?
you. Here, just let
You're
me.
not taking
let me
my
take-
socks.
I'm not gonna take the socks. Just let me feel underneath them. All right, next one. Next one.
Yeah, make sure you guys violate this even more. Let me see how this police report charge is gonna play out. Trespassing at the international airport with a boarding pass. Well done, geniuses.
I don't think they saw any boarding pass.
Oh, he said he did, and they ripped it up.
All right.
Well done, guys. Trespassing for traveling. You guys
All right, we'll put your shoes back to you.
Yeah.
Just up in the
I don't know.
door.
She came off the train and waved at me.
I did not wave at you.
And then she went down to the bathroom and then came
I
back.
did not go to the bathroom. I went to the Avis preferred counter. You can put them on the floor right
Which one do you
here,
want first? Let's put
and I will put them on my feet myself.
be charged with trespassing.
Yeah, I want that charge. I want that charge. Put it on here.
Resisting without
Okay.
violence.
Yeah. No, not a problem.
Okay.
Make sure it's written up very well.
just so you-
Thank you.
You understand?
I'm gonna
I speak?
take me to the judge because I want to trespassing with a boarding pass and a passport. For a year, I just got in and I have proof.
Yana.
You're a liar. I just got here a week ago.
No.
Bull.
The airport operations trespassed you.
I have
Remember the
proof that
airport manager that came by?
Liars. Don't worry. Close the door. Don't worry.
We have it all on video.
Charge
so-
me.
Okay.
She faced charges of trespassing and resisting an officer without violence. In Florida, these misdemeanors can result in fines up to $1,000, up to 1 year in jail or probation, and possible community service. Now let's dive into some viewer comments, and trust me, they didn't hold back. She is one of those lawyers who lives in the bushes by the airport. She hasn't seen or experienced police brutality yet. Clear proof that you cannot fix stupid. Ignoring legal orders and acting aggressively toward police only leads to more trouble. That was just the beginning. The next Karen is even more intense and unreasonable. Subscribe to Urban Law now to catch all the action. On June 19, 2024, officers were dispatched to a hotel following reports of an unruly guest.
I asked her if she was okay, thinking like she fell or something. She told me that the dude that's in the room with her hit her, but she loves him, it's whatever, blah, blah, blah. And then 206 came down to,
So the people that are fighting are in 207? Alright. You know their names?
her name is Brandy. I don't know his name.
Okay. Police department.
Hello, police department. How's it going?
Fuck off! How about that?
No, you're good, bro. What's going on?
Fuck off!
You guys doing okay?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, fuck off! Shut the door, Todd.
Randy?
Shut the fucking door.
No, you
Shut,
guys.
shut.
You're getting kicked out.
Fuck that shit.
Bro, you guys are good.
Shut the fucking
She
door.
just got you guys thrown out of the motel, so start packing up. And the guy's name's Trevor.
I'm sorry?
Trevor's the guy.
His name's Trevor.
Yeah, so they're completely shit-faced. There's bottles everywhere. She's actually the problem.
Yes, Gonzalez and Roberto Sospeña.
Yeah, she's yelling at us to fuck off and all this other shit.
Oh, I want
Slamming
them out.
doors, so.
I want them out.
Okay.
I did not know that all of this was going on when I accepted.
Yeah, as soon as we got to the stairway, you can hear him yelling. So I don't know how you guys didn't get more calls on
It's
that.
been going on since last night, according to 206. But it's the first that I've been made aware of it.
Okay, so the guy's super mellow. She's actually,
The guy is really shifty too, though. Like, he's really chill.
well,
Thank you for calling.
she seems like the problem right now.
Hotel Artesia Consulting.
So she's probably gonna end up going to jail.
I would appreciate that very much.
So we'll go back up there, talk to her. I mean, the way she's acting now, she's probably gonna do something stupid.
The woman's attitude quickly changed when hotel staff and officers arrived to inspect her room. She spoke rudely and didn't want to cooperate. This made things harder for everyone there.
It's so gross. Artesia Police Department.
Okay?
Open the door.
Open the door.
No, I don't have to.
I need to talk to you, man.
Okay, you can talk to me right here.
Okay, well,
No, I'm not opening my fucking door.
housekeeping's coming to see the state of the room.
I don't need housekeeping. I already paid them $1.
Okay, well, they're kicking you out.
Huh?
They're
I
throwing
want
you
my
out.
money back then.
You're not getting your money back.
Okay, then door's not opening. I want my money back.
Okay,
Or
well,
else
they
I'm
gotta
not
check
leaving.
the state of the room first before they can give you money back.
Alright, hold on. I'm gonna shut the door. I gotta shut it to open it. Come on. There's only me.
You guys wanna come look at it?
There's only me.
And then just hang out outside in case you come back.
I want my money back though. I gotta go get another room. I'm from Ruidoso.
Okay.
Oh my
You
God.
guys wanna check it out?
Oh, there's only popcorn on the floor,
stop
lady.
yelling. There's other people here.
Jesus.
Quit yelling.
Come on. Shaking your fucking head. Fucking bullshit. There's nothing wrong with this. I used to
Okay.
clean rooms at
Tone it down. There's people, other people here.
The situation got worse when the woman suddenly tried to hit a hotel staff member during the check. Her aggressive behavior shocked everyone around. Police had to step in quickly to take control.
You're being charged for this linen being destroyed.
I took it.
What are you doing, laying here and take a shit? You're being charged for this.
She gonna talk to me like that? I'll knock her ass out.
You're not gonna touch
She
her.
needs to shut the fuck up.
Stop.
She needs to shut
You
up.
need to stop.
Bitch, fuck you. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Fuck you. Fuck you. Fucking bitch.
Stay down.
Stop. Quit. Quit.
No!
Until she stops.
Are you gonna stop?
Yes! Let me go!
No!
My underwear are not on. This bitch is not gonna talk shit to me. You fucking whore. Give me my money back.
Get up.
Don't fucking yank me, bitch! Don't yank me. I'll kick your ass. I'll kick you. Bitch. Yeah, jump. Quit fucking yanking me!
Well, let's go. Walk.
Quit yanking me!
And then walk.
Quit yanking me! I will fucking hurt you. Bitch! Get the fuck away from me! I'll fucking kick your ass. Give me my money back! You fucking whore! Fuck you! Quit hurting me! Quit fucking hurting me!
Are you gonna push the button?
Yeah.
Quit hurting! Quit fucking hurting me!
Well, quit moving.
Bitch, if you I have these cuffs on, I'd fuck your ass up! You're a fuck.
After being arrested and taken outside, the woman's behavior spiraled even further out of control. She started screaming at the officers and causing a loud scene. What she did next shocked everyone.
Fucking bitch. Fuck you, fucking whore. I'll fucking come get you. Fucking. Give me my fucking money back. Sweetie, give me my money back. So I can have a fucking room somewhere. Motherfucker.
You wanna catch another fucking charge? Because that's what's gonna happen if you keep
Give
kicking
me
me.
my fucking money back.
She kicking you?
Yeah.
Alright,
Just
you
kick me.
Good.
you're under arrest for arrest.
Good.
Battery on a peace officer.
Good. Give me my money back.
You're getting a room. It'll be up the trunk.
Money back. No, you're gonna charge me?
Yes, we are. That's fine.
Give me my money back! Ow! Ow!
I'm 1015 for battery on a peace officer. Stand up. 1, 2, 3.
Hold on.
Yeah, hold on.
1, 2, 3.
Ready?
Wait. Hold on. I can't get.
Okay, here, hold on. Let
Can
me.
you
I
just
have to.
fucking undo me? I'm
Hold on.
not gonna fucking do nothing. I
Here, hold
promise
on, hold on.
you. Fuck you. Pay taxes. You fuck. Go back to Mexico. Go back to Mexico.
you guys feel like she was actually gonna hit you guys?
Yeah, absolutely.
Hey, assault times 2 and then the battery.
When she came at me, she touched my throat. She like barely touched me and you guys pulled her back.
Okay.
After she was arrested and brought outside, the woman acted even worse. She yelled, kicked the car door, and tried to get out of her handcuffs. Her actions made things more difficult for the officers.
Knock it off!
Or what?
You're gonna catch another charge, because that's what's gonna happen.
What?
Sit down.
All right.
Sit down right.
I am.
Put your feet up against the back.
Take me already. Fuck.
What?
Take me.
Hold on.
All right. All right, I'm done.
All right, no, I didn't mean to be an asshole.
Oh, I'm sorry too. Okay. I'm a dick. I'm sorry.
No, I didn't mean to be an asshole.
No,
okay?
I'm sorry too. Fuck, I'm sorry, dude. I don't have any shoes on.
That's all right. Take pictures on the video.
They fucking won't. You don't have to fucking take me to jail. Thanks a lot. My shit's all burned up and now I have to fucking go to jail! Ah! Ah! Give me a break, really? You gotta turn your fucking lights on? You're a fucking punk, dude. I did 7.5 years in a joint. Ah! You're a punk. You're a bitch and your mama's a whore. She's probably born in Mexico, too. Go back to Mexico! Come down to IE. Come down to IE, motherfucker. Let's see how it fucking rolls. You fucking bitch. Come to the IE. Uh-huh. Fuck you, man. Punk ass fucking bullshit motherfuckers in New Mexico. I have a commercial. I can back a fucking 18-wheeler up, can you? That's what I thought. No, you fucking can't. No, you can't. Let me see.
This Karen was charged with assault, battery on an officer, property damage, and resisting arrest. She was also permanently banned from the hotel. If convicted, she could face over $1,000 in fines, probation, or time in jail depending on the court's decision. A lot of people had strong opinions about this one. Let's hear some of them. Where's animal control when you need him? Give me my money back so I can get another room somewhere. Ma'am, you are getting another room in jail. She needs an exorcism. Always stay calm and respectful, even in stressful situations. Unbelievable, right? But trust me, the next Karen takes it to a whole new level. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to Urban Law. On December 31st, 2023, Sergeant Crabtree of the Massillon Police noticed a vehicle committing multiple traffic violations. He pulled the car over, discovering that it was being driven by a 21-year-old woman.
What are you covering up, man?
What's that?
What are you covering up?
Not shit.
I sat here and I watched
Why
you.
are you pulling us over going the speed limit, sir?
Stop.
Okay, I sat for a few reasons. You guys driver's license on you?
Yeah. Babe, can you find my,
Why'd you just slam on your brakes like that?
because you were following me for no reason.
Stop.
Okay.
Dude, this dude is up. I'm sick as and this dude is my shit up.
Stop, man.
No. Hurry up. What are you doing? It's right there.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
You have an idea, new man?
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Dude, I'm so tired of shitty ass
Brian,
cops
stop.
and fucking lying and shit. I'm so tired
Where are you guys
of
coming
it.
from?
We're just coming from our buddies.
Okay. Where's that at?
Right down
Way
there.
far back.
Okay.
None of your business.
Miranda, stop.
What do you have to do now?
Home.
I'm so tired of this shit.
Miranda, shut up.
I'm not.
Whose car is this?
It's my car.
Whose name is the car in? I think
My
it's
mom's name.
okay. You guys have your insurance and registration for the car? Thank you.
It's fucking massive, bro.
Man, stop. There's my insurance right here.
I said it's fucking mask on.
Appreciate it.
They got gauge.
Appreciate it.
Officer Yoder arrived at the scene and they asked the woman to step out of the vehicle. Although an open container was found between her legs, she claimed she hadn't consumed any alcohol. Suspecting the woman was impaired, the officer asked her to perform a field sobriety test.
Hi, Miranda. Do me a favor. Miranda, pull his headphones overhead for me, please. Miranda, do me a favor. Step out of the car.
What?
To my partner right there. Step out of the car. I'll talk to you once you get out. Oh, there's the open container.
What the f?
Step out.
What?
Step out to my partner.
Face that way for me. Relax.
I was just shutting the door.
Spread the feet. Nothing on you, right? Nothing
No,
to stick me?
just nicotine.
Okay. I'm just gonna pass you. Make sure you don't have no weapons. Alright, you're good. Walk back here. Walk back here. Relax. Don't do that.
I'm sorry.
Walk back to the front.
Can I hit my nicotine?
Just,
You're scaring me.
Miranda. Miranda, relax. Listen, the way you're driving is concerning. All right. You're slurring your words. I can smell the alcohol coming from inside the car. I know, listen, just be honest with me. How much have you actually had to drink tonight? I know it's been 0. You literally had an open bottle of Corona between your legs.
That wasn't mine.
You dumped it when you got out of the car. What do you mean it's not yours? It was sitting between your legs.
And what?
Okay. Are you willing to perform some field sobriety tests to make sure you're okay to drive? You are? Alright, stand right here. I gotta check these front lights off real quick.
During the Hain test, the woman appeared to ignore the officer's instructions and was unable to focus on his finger.
See the tip of my finger? Yep. Alright, keep them at your side. Follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head. You understand?
Yeah.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Nope, you gotta follow it with your eyes. Follow all the way out. You gotta keep. You're still not following it. You see the tip of my finger? Touch it again. Alright, so I know you see it. Put your eyes on it. Keep your head still and just follow it with your eyes. You're not following it.
I gotta pee.
Okay, we'll get there in a minute.
Literally, I'm sick as
Miranda, you gotta follow my finger.
I'm
not
trying.
following it.
I'm sick as
Okay, I understand that, but
You're a police officer.
Does that prevent you from following my finger with your eyes? You being sick?
Yes.
Okay. Are you willing to at least try? Just follow it.
It's not that hard. I've been doing it for 5
Listen,
minutes.
I know it's not that hard, but you're not doing it. That's what I'm saying. Just keep it on my finger. Ready? Just follow it. Stop moving your head. Miranda, you're making this way harder than it needs to be.
It doesn't need to be that hard.
I know it's not that hard, but you're making it hard because you're not doing what I'm asking you to do.
I've done
Those
it.
are very simple directions.
I've done it.
Alright. You're not looking at my finger at all.
I'm looking at
You're
your
looking
finger.
back there. My finger's over here and your eyes are that way.
The final 2 tests were the walk and turn and the one-leg stand. However, during the tests, the woman continued to act disrespectfully and perform them incorrectly, despite the officer's clear instructions.
I'm gonna go over one more time because you really weren't paying attention. 9, hit up those steps.
9.
On your 9th one, keep your front foot planted. Steer steps, turn around.
What are you waiting for?
9, hip touch those back.
This is your quota. Shut the
You
up.
understand the instructions?
This is your quota. Shut the
You
up.
understand the instructions?
Go.
We may begin. The last one I'm going to have you do, again, you're going to stand with your feet together, arms down to your side. Alright, say it like that until I tell you otherwise.
Yeah.
Alright, so you can choose whichever foot you'd like, your right or left. Again, I'm
Yeah.
going to show you before you begin. Don't begin until I tell you to do so, alright?
Yeah.
When I tell you to, you're going to raise whichever foot you like approximately 6 inches off the ground.
Okay.
Keeping your toe pointed down, keeping your foot parallel to the ground. Alright? Again, I'm going to show you.
Okay.
Feet together, arms at your side. Lift
Your
whatever
feet
foot.
aren't together at all.
Feet are together.
Yeah,
Arms at your side. Lift whatever foot, approximately 6 inches. Keeping your foot parallel to the ground. Keep your arms down at your side. Look down at your foot, count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and so on until I tell you to stop. Do you have any questions?
Nope.
All right, get the timer. All right, you may begin whenever you're ready. Keep your arms at your side. Look at your foot, count out loud like I told you to. Count out loud. Keep going until I tell you to stop.
After completing the standard field sobriety test, she was arrested for driving under the influence.
All right, Brenda. So put your hand on your back for me. Put your hand on your back.
Can you grab my jacket?
What's that?
Can you grab my jacket?
Stop holding. Grab your what?
Can you grab my jacket?
Yeah, I'll grab it. Stop. So you're going to place on arrest for OVI. You do have the
For
right to
what?
remain silent. OVI. You do have the right to remain
What's
silent.
an OVI?
Anything you say can and will be judged by court of law.
What?
You have the right to an attorney. You cannot afford one. One will be appointed to you at the court's cost. You understand your rights? OVI means operating a vehicle on
My
impaired.
name is Miranda. What the do you mean?
Your name's not Miranda?
My name is Miranda. What the do you mean? I've owned 3 cars. What the
Miranda, what's your rights in mind? Do you understand why you're going to jail tonight?
No. I'm tired. I
How much
want to
have
go
you actually had
home.
to drink?
No,
I know it's more than 0.
Yeah, that's a lot of testing, bitches.
We'll get there.
Yeah.
Whose car is this right here? Stop pulling. You're going to catch another charge.
This is mine right here.
I'll just stick her in there for now. That's cool.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
Can you let dispatch know?
Go ahead. I've never been charged. I've never been charged with anything.
We'll go to the other side. Miranda.
I need my boyfriend.
Let her know, Miranda.
I need my boyfriend right now. Right now. Right now.
Come on, have a seat.
Right now, no.
Yeah, have a seat.
I need my shit.
Miranda.
I need my nicotine.
Have a seat.
No. I need
Miranda,
nicotine, please.
get in the car or you're going to catch another charge.
Can you give me my nicotine?
I'll grab your stuff. What do you need out of the car?
I need nicotine. My nicotine.
So your vape,
Yes.
you have your phone in there, I assume, and then you have like a wallet or something. So vape, phone, and wallet. Is that all you need?
Yeah.
All right. Hang tight for me, all right?
Although she's already in custody, she'd continue wrecking havoc for the officers.
This is so tough. I want my mommy. I want my mommy. I want my mommy. I want my mommy.
You're tied up on that stop. 806 will be you could get a call.
I need my nicotine right now, and if you don't give it to me, I will hurt.
Things escalated even further once the girl was taken to the station, and you won't believe what she did next.
Stop. Do not kick him. Do not kick him.
Sit down.
Mommy!
She smacked her head.
Mommy! Mommy!
Miranda, stop trying to grab me.
Mommy! I want my mommy! I want my mommy! I want my mommy! I want my mommy, please! Give me my mommy!
Your mom's not going to help you out of this, Miranda. You're an adult. You made decisions.
I want my mommy!
Keep turning on her. She's going to hurt herself. Miranda, get up. Come on, really? Sit in the chair.
Tell me that you're a grown woman and you're not acting like it.
Sit back. Sit back all the way. We gotta put you in the chair so you don't hurt yourself. Sit back.
I can't.
It's not.
Put her arms through
I
this.
can't. I can't.
Miranda, relax.
Okay, I'm relaxing.
No, you're not.
My nose is bleeding and you're gonna treat me like this.
Hey, look at this strap.
No.
Sit down.
Stop. Now you're going to county. And you just called a felony. Congratulations. Now you just called a felony. Sit down. Sit in the chair.
And keep your
This Karen was convicted of multiple offenses, including felony obstruction, OV, and resisting arrest. Under the California law, she was fined $375 plus court costs, sentenced to 3 days in jail, and ordered to perform 100 hours of community service. Additionally, she received a 1-year driver's license suspension, must complete a 180-day treatment program, and serve 2 years of probation. Right or wrong, this situation definitely sparked debate. Let's take a look at what viewers said. Mommy can watch this when you go to court. She'll be real proud. Love that the officer said this. So funny, she's trash talking and acting all tough inside the car, but once outside, she's a blubbering fool. Guarantee she feels zero embarrassment over this video. A lack of cooperation and poor behavior can turn a minor traffic stop into serious legal trouble. If you thought that was bad, the next one is even worse. Don't forget to subscribe to Urban Law so you can see what happens next.
What happened? What is she doing? I can drive. What are you doing? She let go.
On November 11th, 2024, police were called to the scene following reports of a hit and run incident.
Hi, how you doing? What's up?
Two girls were really drunk in there, and they kicked them out. They backed into my car. They hit my car. They backed into my car and hit it, and then they took off, and then they went over the median. They crashed and shit.
I'm the one who called.
Turn damage to your vehicle?
Yeah. Yeah, you can see this. I mean,
Yeah, I got that. You have cameras out here?
Yeah, I'm getting them going.
I gotta pull the USB stick.
No, that's not them.
The other guy's got a video of him.
Anybody get the tag?
I didn't get the tag. I didn't know what car they were going in, and then the lady on the phone told me to go inside because I was out there trying to keep her from getting in her car, and they were screaming at me saying they were walking home. So then when I went inside, I guess they got in the car, and I was way too late.
It was like a gray Kia though, right?
Yeah, it was a
Mom,
gray
what's your phone
gray
number?
Kia.
Where were they parked?
It had to be like right there, right one of these front spots.
Somebody said they knew. One of your people said they knew the one girl.
Yeah, my bartender says she comes here often. So I mean, that my camera I don't think I could rewind on my phone for the inside cameras.
You have the system inside?
I would have to call my sister, and I'll call her right now.
Yeah, if you don't mind calling her so we can...
The officer then continued gathering information from someone inside the restaurant.
So I don't... These two came together from what you saw?
Oh. Mom and daughter. So,
And both in like nursing scrubs?
Mom was in nursing scrubs, and she's a server, a local server, so she's always Indian with her boyfriend.
The daughter.
The daughter. So she just got irritated by something someone said upset about her job, and it just escalated.
The mom did.
No, the daughter
The daughter
did it
got it.
first, and then the mom started playing defense, and just
Somebody
it just
here?
escalated. Yes.
Are they still here?
Yes. It was just an argument between, you know, well, they should have a job, and because she lost her job at the beach, that might be amazing. And then it just escalated from there, and we had to ask her to leave because she started just screaming it. And then these people said, no, you're going to scream, can you take it outside? Very nicely, they're having dinner. And she came over and just started screaming at them and yelling at them. And then Don, the kitchen manager, said, we got to go, we got to get out of here.
That's that guy out there?
Yeah. Okay. So when they walked out, we saw her in the car as she was backing out and then peeled out. And we thought she ran over the curb and thought she was not going over there. That breakfast building. But I didn't see it. Everyone just kind of ran out.
Yeah.
She hit me. So she definitely hit a couple things. So I don't know who was driving though. I don't know if the mom or the daughter was driving.
Okay.
Daughter was driving. Okay.
Mom had the scrubs on?
Yes. She was very young. Yeah.
Okay.
So apparently there's no fight in here.
The guy's got everything recorded on his car.
Huh?
Came up. The guy has it recorded on his car.
That's the chick. At least, I mean, one of them. I think she was the one in the gray, the one in the blue.
So this is a
scrubs.
mom and daughter situation.
Oh,
so
okay. I only went to high school with her, so that's all.
That's how you know her?
That's, yeah. Taking this?
Yes.
Oh. All right, well, thank you, because William said the OT was approved. What's up, sir?
I can throw you in my car.
With the statements being gathered, cops would now attempt to speak to the suspect.
Yeah, were you guys just at Mike's Pizza?
We're like 30 minutes, but yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Back up.
What's her name? Adriana?
Adriana's my daughter, yes.
Yes. Can she come out and talk to us?
Speak to us.
Mom, come here.
Adriana, they want
Okay, give me 1 second. Mama Mahomes, come here. Mama Mahomes.
Ma'am, this.
Me?
Yep, you come talk to me, please.
Mom? Yeah, sure.
Mama Mahomes, out the window. Out the window. 1 second.
My daughter, Adriana.
Hello, hi.
Yeah.
What's up?
Adriana.
Hi.
What happened at Mike's?
There was a very inappropriate man. That's it. What's up?
What do you mean, very inappropriate man?
Sorry. There's something you did. No, wait. Well,
Okay, well, hold on. I'm talking to her right now, so can you
Okay,
give me
I'm
a
her
second?
mom, so I can answer. But what I said was,
Okay,
is there
so
something
what
that
happened?
we need to tell us that what happened at Mike's and that we need to like ask or explain to you? I'm sorry.
That's what we asked.
So I'm
what
asking
happened
you.
at Mike's?
Nothing.
Okay, so
We
what happened
walked
at
over
Mike's?
here.
Because there's
Nothing,
an
right?
inappropriate man. So what happened?
Nothing, right? I mean, did we do something that was inappropriate? Did we touch him? Did we like? No, I'm asking you guys. Y'all look at each other and tell us what we did. Stop talking and what? Did we do something we did? Because we walked. We are okay. House.
So
no,
you drove?
After speaking with both women and seeing their lack of cooperation, the officer had no choice but to arrest them to prevent the situation from escalating further.
No, I did not drive.
Okay.
None of us drove, actually.
Thank you.
What? Wait, what? What happened? What is she doing? I can drive. What are you doing? She let go of her. I'm not doing her.
Get back.
I'm nothing. I'm not touching her. I'm not touching you.
Well, get back!
Back the fuck up!
What are you fucking about?
Back the fuck up!
I'm not anywhere besides right here. So stop touching me. I'm not touching. What's going on? None of us drove. None of us drove. What are you talking about? None of us drove. None of us drove anywhere. None of us drove. I'm right here.
She just said she didn't drive.
Right.
You have a video of you getting in the car causing crap.
That's a liar. You are a liar. None of us drove.
Okay.
My daughter lives here. I we got her to Mike's. What are you talking about? The fact that you tackle her, I got you.
Everybody stop.
Oh, I got you. Wait, what happened? No, I got you.
Traffic crash.
Come on.
No, take me to the police, please. There was no crash, you liar. What the fuck are y'all even talking about?
If you stop screaming, I will explain it.
There's nothing that happened.
No, if you will stop screaming, I will explain
I'm
it.
not screaming. You walked up on my daughter's door as a police officer with no...
Turn around.
No. Oh, I got you. It's all good. I work for police. It's all good. Take me to the back of the police, please. Because I did nothing.
Okay.
Drana, nothing.
Sit.
I don't even know what y'all even talking about
Sit.
here. I am sitting. Thank you.
The officer then returned to the other woman, reassured her, and asked for her cooperation.
Stop. Please just calm down. Put your hands behind your back so we can settle this and just talk about
So
this.
what's
We
going on?
we just talk, but we have to put you in handcuffs first. So turn around, lay on your stomach, and we will talk. I will explain everything to you in every detail I have. But you have to not yell at us.
Will you please do that?
So you're taking me in handcuffs when I didn't do anything for my
please just roll
dogs
over?
and my whole life.
Please just roll
Okay.
over and put your hands behind your back.
583, you can clear the channel. We're code 4. Show 1 in custody.
Thank you.
Why am I going to jail right now?
We're just talking to you, dear.
Why am I going to jail? Why am I going
Can
to
you
jail?
give us a second?
Stop.
Why am I going to jail?
Officer
What did I
is going to speak with you. What is?
Here, sit up.
do? When am
sit
I
up,
going
sit
to
up.
jail?
Come on.
Sit up.
Why am I going to jail?
We didn't just
Stop
sit up.
talking, and I will explain.
Okay. Just
Why
stand
am
up.
I going to jail
Stand
right
up
now?
for me, dear. She's going to explain everything. Just stand up for me, please.
Okay.
Why am I going to
Can
jail?
you let me speak?
Okay.
Okay. Are you done talking? Okay, great. So, we got called about a disturbance at Mike's Pizza. Okay? 2 females, one is in nursing scrubs, one is wearing a dark colored shirt. One matches your description, okay? There is video footage of you getting into this gray Kia with the tag and everything. That's the tag on the vehicle. Comes back to you. We have it at Mike's Pizza. You guys cause a disturbance. I don't know about some fight. I don't know. I don't see that on the camera. But I see that you back into a red Tesla. You hit the back of the Tesla. You leave. And you make a U-turn somewhere we can't find you until we had a customer come in and say that there were 2 females arguing over here. So here we are.
Okay.
So technically, you're going to jail for a hit and run. You hit a vehicle and you left the scene. Okay? Do you have questions for me?
So I hit a vehicle and left the scene.
Correct.
Okay.
On multiple cameras. I have it on video surveillance from the store. I have it on the Tesla's, 2 of the Tesla's cameras. And I see video from the store. The video surveillance shows that you are getting into the vehicle, you are getting into the driver's side, and your mom is getting into the passenger side. And as we get here, we said, who was driving? She said, I wasn't driving. So it leaves you driving.
However, she remained silent and refused to talk or cooperate with the officers, forcing them to escort her to the car and take her to the station for further investigation.
Can you put it in your car?
Yeah.
I don't know right now.
So what do I do right now?
You search her, please.
Yeah. Can you just stay with my car? I have one in the back of mine.
Let me get a hold. I'm just gonna turn the camera on the back real quick.
Hang on.
No, give me a second, buddy.
Do you have anything on you that's gonna hurt me, stick me, poke me? Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm just thinking about my animals. Like, I got pit bulls in the house. Like, what do I do?
Turn around, turn around.
I didn't, like, what?
Line your stance for me.
Line your stance for us, please. Hey, Travis. Officer Hanson, can you come in? Can you just hit my, the rear camera for my Axon, please?
So I'm going to jail right now.
Yes, ma'am. This could have been a simple.
It'll be the, yellow.
Left some information, okay?
All right, thank you.
I literally didn't do anything but bring my dogs home, but okay.
It's gonna be the bottom one. Thank you. What's arguing with you and your mom about?
Literally nothing. Literally nothing. I don't understand why I'm going to jail right now. Why am I going to jail?
She bumped into a Tesla causing damage. A vehicle, doesn't matter what kind of vehicle. Just,
Okay.
and it was caught on their video camera.
Okay.
Because all the Teslas have cameras.
Okay.
Nothing in your bra or anything?
No. No.
Alright. That's it.
Where's the back seat so you know? Here, look.
Can I call somebody? Can I call somebody?
Wait, let's get settled down. Let's get done. We
Okay.
gotta get done. And I'll talk to the investigating officer, okay? Alright, you alright? I'm gonna put the AC on.
Both were taken into custody. The mother could face fines or probation for resisting arrest. The daughter faces harsher penalties, including possible jail time, heavy fines, license suspension, and mandatory DUI classes for charges like DUI, resisting arrest, and hit and run. What a meltdown. Let's check out how the internet responded to this case. Mom is part of why she is like this. What a role model her mother is. Unbelievable. Zero shame, zero morals. Cooperation with police can help resolve issues quickly, while refusing to talk or follow instructions only leads to arrest and harsher consequences. Do you believe this Karen was overreacting? You won't believe how wild the next one gets. Hit subscribe and stay tuned for the next meltdown.
Under you, okay? Just with the back of my hand here, I gotta check your pockets, okay? Same thing.
On July 4th, 2024, Sergeant Hill of the Ohio Highway Patrol noticed a car that wasn't staying in its lane. He conducted a traffic stop and found a woman wearing only a bikini.
I'm sorry.
Alright, do you have a driver's license on you?
I do. Let me just find it real quick.
Where are you coming from?
I'm Mohican Adventure.
Okay, what are you doing out there?
Not
so it's a moisture on the plate.
Kayaking? Okay.
I do not, but do you want my social?
You don't have your ID with you?
You want me to write down my social?
Yeah, give me a second here. So the reason why I stopped you here, you were kind of all over the road.
Yeah, I was calling my grandma's phone when I was on
Okay, you're on your phone. Yeah, there's also a caller there behind you driving for a little bit saying you were off the road there a little bit. Were you on the phone that whole time?
Yeah, I was. My grandma's, I live in Akron and
Okay, what's your name? Hannah? Okay, just give me a second, Hannah, okay?
Suspecting the woman had been drinking, the officer asked her to step out of the car for further investigation.
Okay, I'm gonna have you coming out real quick, alright?
I'm gonna.
We're just gonna walk right over here in front of my car, okay?
Is it okay if I?
Yeah, you can for now. Yeah, just right in front of my car. Hannah, you said, what were you doing today?
So I went to Mohican Adventures for like an hour and a half, and now I'm on my way back to Akron. I'm kind of on the phone with my grandma a little bit, but I did hang up with her out of respect for you guys.
Okay.
My father did just pass away.
I'm sorry.
No, I'm not trying to throw a pity party or anything, so I don't want to like do that, but yeah. No, I was on the phone with my grandmother, and I can call her and everything, and she will tell you.
All right, well, Hannah, do you remember how much you had to drink?
I had one White Claw, and then there is a cooler in my backseat of my car.
Oh, you're okay. Hannah, real quick, I'm gonna have you just stand right by this headlight. I'm gonna turn these front lights off, okay?
To assess her level of sobriety, the officer asked her to perform standardized field sobriety tests.
All right, well, real quick, Hannah, go ahead and interlock your hands, come up right underneath your chin. I just need you to follow the tip of my finger here with your eyes only, okay?
Okay, yes,
All right,
sir.
just right here. You okay?
Yeah, no, it's just the rain.
Right on here. See the tip of my finger?
Yeah,
Yep, just go ahead and look at it. Try to keep your head still, okay?
Yeah, I'm so.
Do you have any questions?
Is it okay if like right here?
No, it needs to be 9 heel-to-toe steps.
Okay.
So go ahead, get back in that starting position. That right foot in front of your left foot, heel to toe, hands all the way down. All right. Your next step is going to be 1. Okay. Go ahead and begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Do you have any questions?
No,
all right, just hands down at your side. Go ahead, take 1 step out just so you're not leaning on the car.
Yeah,
all right, you can go ahead and begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1000, 1001.
Keep going.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, Hannah, you can stop. You can put your shoes back on.
After completing the test, she was arrested for operating a vehicle under the influence OVI.
And we'll just walk right up here, okay?
Yes, sir.
So Hannah, where we're at, all right, I do think you had too much to drink to be driving today, okay? So what's going to happen, I got to take you to the State Highway Patrol post, just right up the road. All right, I have to ask you to do a formal breath test. And from there, we're going to find you a valid sober ride home today, okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
So is your phone in the car?
Yeah, can I grab it?
Well, I'll get it for you, all right? But I do have to place you under arrest for the OVI, okay? So I need you to just go ahead and face my car. All right, can you put your hands behind your back like you're clapping? Can you do it like you're clapping? Yep.
Oh.
Yep, just like that. So Hannah, like I said, I am placing you under arrest for an OVI. Okay, that's operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol, a drug, or combination of them. All right, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford an attorney, one would be appointed to you. And if you wish to answer questions now, if the other lawyer present can stop answering questions at any time.
Are
Okay?
you going to let me have one call when I get to it?
Yeah, we'll get you your phone and stuff. Check the I'll have driver's license.
Yep, there's like a video up.
Stand by, I'll have to check.
Will you just wipe the rain off my face?
Yeah, we'll get you here in a second, get you out of the rain and in my car, okay? I don't want to be out here.
Where is my car going to be impounded?
We can leave it right here if you want. We can lock it up and just leave it right here, and someone else can come get it later.
Is it be all done tonight?
Yes, you won't be able to drive though.
No, yeah,
All right, so just go ahead and face my car real quick. I know you just put these clothes on. I just gotta make sure there's nothing in your pockets, okay? Just face my car. I'll move around you, okay? Just with the back of my hand here, I gotta check your pockets, okay? Same thing with your back pockets. I'm just pulling them away from you, all right?
Yeah, no, you're good.
All right, Hannah, we're gonna have the seat. I'm gonna put your glasses back in your car, okay?
Yeah, you're good.
Just watch your step here.
Oh, I just don't want no tips.
Yeah. Just go and have a seat. You all right?
Yeah, no, I'm good. I just need my benefits.
Yeah. Here, go ahead, take a step out, put your other foot in first. That'll help you out. There you go. Now I'm gonna get this seatbelt on around you, and we'll lock your car up, and we'll get someone on the way to come get you here soon, okay?
Yeah, well, am I allowed to make the call?
Yeah.
And everything?
Yeah. Where's your phone at?
In the car.
Okay.
This Karen was charged with prohibited breath alcohol and driving under OVI suspension, receiving a $2,000 fine plus court costs. In Ohio, she was sentenced to 150 days in jail, 80 hours of community service, an alcohol drug assessment, 2 years of probation, and a 6-year license suspension. Right or wrong, the situation definitely sparked debate. Let's take a look at what viewers said. She's already a super experienced drinker to be that coherent with such a high back. About time someone was seriously held accountable. Outstanding. Every cop's dream, a girl without attitude. Driving under the influence carries severe consequences that can impact your life for years. That was intense, but the next one goes even further. Subscribe to Urban Law now so you don't miss a moment of the chaos.
Oh, the female 41, can you start a hook for John Moore?
On May 2nd, 2025, Sergeant Connor McGrath of the Highlands Police Department spotted a 10T10 two-door Honda drifting between lanes while traveling north on Route 36 from Bay Avenue.
Hello, how are you? I'm Sergeant McGrath, Highlands Police. Can I get your license, registration, proof of insurance, just so you know being audio video recorded?
Nope, not that.
Where are you guys coming from this evening?
The Chevy vehicle.
Okay. Where are you heading to?
I'm dropping him off.
Okay. Alright. How much have you had to drink tonight, ma'am?
I had about 2 or 3 Heiners.
Okay. Alright. Do you have anything wrong with your license?
No.
Okay, the reason why I'm stopping you is actually because you changed lanes quite a few times and then you were driving over the line.
So we were supposed to go under the bridge, and she missed under the bridge.
Okay.
That's why we went that way, and I told her to come this way to make the right.
Okay.
So we changed lanes, and we didn't know she was behind me, but like, she's my friend. She wanted to come pick me up tonight, and I told her to go under the bridge. She didn't listen. She
Okay.
went down 36, and I told her to change lanes. She's like, I shouldn't do that. And then we pulled us over.
Okay. Alright, well, yeah, like I said, just the couple of lane changes and then...
That was
like
my fault, though.
Like I said, though, you went...
She missed going under the bridge.
Right, but, and again, the going over the line thing is the other reason why I'm stopping you. It wasn't just the...
When Patrolman Robert Alvader arrived to help, he asked Alexa to step out for sobriety tests. Sergeant McGrath conducted the hang test, noting jerky eye movements and early nystagmus.
Alright, Alexa, have you step out of the car so I can test to make sure you're right to be driving, and then if everything goes good, I'll get you out of here real quick, okay?
Okay.
Just gonna go ahead right over here on the sidewalk over here, okay? Okay, do you have anything wrong with your eyes before we begin?
I do have sensitivity to light.
Okay.
That's about it.
Alright, so, but you don't have like a fake eye or anything like that? Alright, if you could please just feet together like this, hands at your sides. Okay, so what I'd like you to do is, you see the tip of my pen right there? I'd like you to follow the tip of my pen, using your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head, okay?
Okay.
Keep your head straight. See the tip of my pen right here? Make sure you're still following that.
The second test was the walk and turn. Alexa failed to place her heel to her toe with each step and made an incorrect turn.
Yeah, sir, I'm gonna have one out testing. I'm gonna have you stand right here now. Okay, we're gonna do... We're gonna do, actually up here on the sidewalk, I'm sorry. What I'm gonna have you do is, I'm gonna do a walk and turn test with you, okay? I'm gonna explain the test to you, I'm gonna demonstrate it, and then I'm gonna ask you to perform it, okay? So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to put your left foot on that imaginary straight line. What's in your hand?
My jewel.
Can you just put that on the table for me?
I put it in my
Or
pocket,
back in your pocket, that's fine. Yeah. Left foot on an imaginary straight line, right foot directly in front of it, standing heel to toe, just like this, okay? See how my feet are? Can you stand like that now? Right foot in front of left? Okay, now don't start the test until I tell you to begin, okay? When I tell you to begin, I'm going to have you take 9 steps, okay? 9 heel-to-toe steps, counting out loud each step, okay? Keeping your arms at your sides. You're going to look at your feet while you're walking. It's going to look like this, okay? 1, 2, 3. Again, I did 3 to demonstrate. You're doing 9. On your 9th step, you're going to turn around just like I did, small series of steps, and then you're going to take 9 steps back to where you're standing now. 1, 2, 3. Keeping your hands at your sides, counting out loud each step, okay?
Okay.
Whenever you're ready, you can begin.
1. Oh my god.
It's okay.
It's not okay. It's not okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can I turn around?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, oh wow, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
The last test was the one-leg stand, during which Alexa failed to lift her foot correctly and lowered it before finishing.
Okay, next test I'm going to have you do is you put your feet together, hands at your sides. Okay, it's going to be a one-leg stand. What I'm going to have you do is when I tell you to begin, you're going to pick either leg of your choosing. Doesn't matter which leg, okay? You're going to raise your foot approximately 6 inches off the ground. Staring at your raised foot, you're going to count out loud. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, until I tell you to stop, okay? And you may begin.
Wait, any foot?
Either foot of your choosing, doesn't matter which one. It's whichever you're most comfortable with.
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000, 11, 1,000, 12, 1,000, 13, 1,000.
If you mess up, just pick up where you left off.
14, 1,000. Fuck. 15, 1,000. 16, 1,000. 17, 1,000. 18, 1,000. 19, 1,000.
Due to her reckless driving, the smell of alcohol, her admission to drinking earlier, and poor performance on sobriety tests, Alexa was taken into custody.
All right, Alexa, so here's the deal. I'm thinking that you had too many drinks tonight, okay? You're unsafe to operate a vehicle, so right now what's going to happen is I'm going to place you under arrest for driving while intoxicated, okay? So can you put your hands behind your back, please?
Oh, the female 41. He's heard of her for John Moore.
Watch your wrist. Okay.
3, keep on this one.
I just want to arrest you,
All right, do you have anything in the car that you need? Cell phone?
My phone. Please.
Just your cell phone? Do you have a wallet or
My
purse?
You can grab my purse.
All right, do you have anything in your pockets besides that vape that you put in?
No, my vape's in my hand.
It's in your hand? Okay, well I'm gonna end up
Already?
taking that from you, okay?
Why?
Because I'm gonna keep it with me. I can't let you have it in the vehicle. You're gonna get it back, okay? So just come with me.
Mm-hmm.
What kind of phone is it? Is it an Apple or
An iPhone.
is it in
Can
the
you
center
just grab
console?
My whole purse, please.
Yeah, absolutely. What color is it?
It's pink.
Okay. Go ahead, take a seat. All right, I'm gonna reach around and get the seatbelt, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just hang tight, all right?
A little later, the officer returned to the car to ask the woman a few questions to complete their investigation.
Are you allowed to go through my car?
Yes, we are. So what's happening right now is we're allowed to look for evidence of intoxicants. Okay.
That's great.
So as
So, can I tell you? Those 2 hidings that are in there are from today.
okay, that's fine. I mean,
There's 2 in my garbage can, but they're not from today.
okay. Well, listen, just so we're clear, I'm not looking to hem you up for like open containers that are in the vehicle.
Okay.
If they're from days past, like those are crushed
Well,
and
I know
empty.
you're gonna find them. I
Okay.
just wanted to let you know they're not from tonight.
Oh, I appreciate you being honest with me, okay? But it's just what we look for is right now, right?
There's nothing
If you
else.
have like a half full one, like you've been drinking while you're driving, as long as that's not in there, I don't care.
No.
Okay?
I don't have
Is there anything else in the car I got to worry about?
There is.
Do you smoke? Do you smoke in the car?
Smoke what?
Smoke weed?
No.
Does he smoke weed?
He does. Yes, I
Okay.
don't.
All right.
I'm a control freak. I can't smoke weed.
Okay, that's because I smell weed, but I don't know if it was from somebody or from the car. So.
Not me. He was smoking while we were out.
Okay.
But
Okay.
he didn't
Listen.
smoke in my car.
We'll be quick. Okay. Start thinking about who you'd like to call to come pick you up. We gotta have somebody sober come pick you up. Okay. All right. Just hang tight. All right.
Thank you.
Alexa was charged with DUI, reckless driving, and failing to stay in her lane. In Florida, repeat DUI offenses can lead to heavy fines, license suspension, mandatory jail time, and installation of an ignition interlock device. She could also face probation and mandatory substance abuse treatment. A lot of people had strong opinions about this one. Let's hear some of them. At the 4th DUI, it stops being a bad decision and becomes a lifestyle. 4, cruising and boozing by 24 and the car looks like it's held together by hopes, dreams, and chewing gum. She should be sentenced to 1 year in prison for every DUI conviction to be served consecutively. Driving under the influence puts everyone at risk and comes with serious consequences. Failing sobriety tests even without a crash can still lead to arrest, steep fines, license suspension, and mandatory treatment. The best decision is always to avoid drinking before getting behind the wheel.
Your hand behind your back.
You're not under arrest.
Why is he back?
On January 29th, 2024, police stopped a reckless driver with an expired temp tag.
Do you know the temp tag is expired?
I don't know. I just said, let me see. I can show you the text message. I said, let me see your car so I can take my baby to school and go to work.
No problem.
Why am I getting pulled over?
Your temp tag is expired. Where do you work at?
Right here in this the part you see where they say taxes at.
Mm-hmm.
Today, actually my first day opening my own office.
Oh, really? Yeah. Congrats.
Thank you. This is my license.
Thank you.
And actually, with the 10 tags, what do you want me to call?
There might be a registration or insurance in there.
I don't see nothing but snacks. I don't know if this is it.
No, this is different. Okay, man.
Double? Alright.
So that's...
Was this the registration?
No.
No.
It's okay. So that tag's not coming back to this car. It's not coming back to anything.
He said he just told me the dealer said, I think 2 weeks or...
2 weeks?
Or he told him 2 weeks ago. It should be coming back though. It was the dealer, the tag.
The tag? So
yes.
He's already spoken to the dealer?
Yes, he's spoken to the dealer.
Okay.
I guess he's spoken to the dealer.
So technically you're not supposed to be driving this car if that tag is
Okay.
attached to it because it's not coming back to the vehicle.
Okay.
I was going to seize the tag, but since you're telling me he spoke to the dealer,
Yes.
I'm not going to seize the tag just so you can get back home with this
Okay.
car. But
Thank
once
you.
you get back home with this car today,
Thank you.
don't drive it.
Okay.
Okay, until you get that new tag on it. 'cause
Okay.
It's not coming back to the car at all.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll definitely let the dealer.
Okay.
Well, he'll talk to the dealer.
Suspecting the woman had used weed, the officer asked her to step out of the vehicle for a check, but she refused to cooperate.
Does that make sense?
Yes, that makes
Do you have
sense.
any questions?
No.
So let me ask you. So you dropped your kid off at school?
Yep.
How old's your child?
Why these questions?
Well, because your car smells like weed. So I'm trying to explain something to you. How old's your child?
I don't want to answer no more questions.
Okay. What I'm trying to tell you is your car smells like weed.
Okay.
If you're driving a kid around in it, what
I would
happens?
never drive a kid around. Ain't no kids in the car.
Okay. When did you drop your kid off?
Ain't nobody in the car with me. Ain't no kids
All right,
in the
awesome.
car.
Step out of the car.
No kids in the car with me.
Okay. Do you have anything illegal in the car we got to worry about?
This is not my car.
Well, that's not what I asked you.
I don't know what's in it. I just told you I
Okay.
went
Leave
to
your
it.
bag down there, please. Right now, we are going to search your car because it smells like marijuana. Okay.
Okay, can I speak to someone else?
I'm telling you to put your stuff down and step out of the car.
Can I have a supervisor? Because I think you was
Go
just
to the
about to let me
headquarters. We have a
go.
supervisor 51.
I don't understand why you're not letting me go. You just
Based on your behavior right now and the smell of marijuana, we're searching your
Listen, I
car.
don't have no behavior problems.
Ma'am, I'm telling you to step out of the car.
First time. I don't know. Let me call.
Okay. Step out of the car.
Can you please not touch me?
Step out of the car or
Okay,
you're going to go
I
to jail.
will, but
Step
can you
out of the
please,
car
why
now.
you putting his hands on me
Because
though?
I'm telling you to step out of the car, you're not listening. Step out of the car or you're going to jail. You understand?
What am I going to jail for?
It's going to be for resisting if you don't get out of the car.
I'm not, but
Step out
you're
of the
grabbing
car.
me. Listen. First of all, for me to listen, let me calm down.
We are calming down. Step out of
No,
the car.
I need to calm down.
Okay, step out of the car.
Because you, it feel like my heart is just racing.
Ma'am,
because
I'm telling you to step out of the car. You understand that?
I can't breathe.
I don't think you understand.
Step out
Why
of the car.
is he playing force on me?
Because you're not getting out of the car.
Okay, I will, but I understand that.
Go
But
off
he
to
didn't
a
never
45.
told me to step. He grabbed
I'm
me.
telling
before
you,
he
step
told me
out of
to
the car, man.
Just step out now. Step out.
I don't think that's right though.
We are searching your car. We can't have you in the car.
I don't have no kids in the car. He asked me about kids in the car.
Go off to a. Can we get a 45?
I do. Like I said.
Step out of the car, man.
Why you?
I'm not going to tell
me?
you
Why
again, or you're going to
treating me
jail.
like that?
Just step out of the car.
Why are you treating me like that though?
Okay.
Why are you treating me like that? Why are you treating me like that? Crystal, they pulling me over. This guy's arresting me. Tell Lex to come on.
Put your hands behind your back.
I don't understand when I put my hands. Why are you hurting me?
Put your hand behind your back.
Okay, but
Listen
you're
to
hurting
me.
me.
Because you're not listening.
You're
Put
hurting me.
Put your hand behind your back and
You're
that's
hurting
it.
me for no reason.
Right now you're being detained. Put your hand behind your back.
Detained for you.
You're not under arrest.
But why is he
Hold on.
grabbing me like that? Why? You was just about to let me go. Why?
You're being detained. Just put
Okay,
your
but
hands
you
behind your
understand
back.
me? Why is he grabbing on me? Help!
Behind your back.
Help me! Help me! For what? Help! Why is he being rough with me?
All we're asking you is put your
I
hand
know,
behind
but
Get her
your
other
back.
hand.
look how he got my back. Look how
Listen,
he got
drop
my
your
back.
phone. Put your hand behind your back.
Get her in cuffs.
I didn't do anything
We're
wrong.
just detaining you, man. That's it.
But why is he being rough? You a woman, you understand? He's being rough.
Put your then woman to woman. Put your hands behind your back.
That's why he got my hand. Oh my God! Why are you being a jerk, baby? My God!
Stop resisting.
I'm not freaking resisting.
We asked you to step out of the car several times.
He was grabbing me before
I
he asked him to step out the car, so you understand that, right?
Turn around and face the
Can
car.
you please
Just face
help?
the car.
Please!
Just face the car. I'm gonna take this. Your phone is right here.
Can you please answer the phone?
The officer then searched the woman as part of the investigation.
Ma'am, okay, just face the car. Can you spread your feet
I
for
have
me?
anxiety.
I understand.
I don't think you can't have anxiety and be a cop.
That's not true. I'm gonna switch, okay?
If he could get his hands off of me. Why you still gotta touch me? You was going to be a jerk today. She is searching me, but I don't have no issue with her. She's not afraid of me. My hands is already.
Do you understand why we're searching your car, ma'am?
Yes, I understand why you're searching my car.
Okay. You have a 40 feet from me?
Yeah, wait till that actually.
So what we're doing now is we're gonna wait for another unit to search the car, okay?
It's not even my car.
The officer questioned the woman and clearly explained the reason for her arrest.
Okay.
So, man, what you have to understand is your car smells like weed, right? I'm trying to talk to you about it, and you instantly stop talking. I tell you to get out of the... Hold on, let me explain something to you. I told you to get out of the car because, again, we smell marijuana coming out of your car. I gave you an opportunity before I touched you.
No, you didn't. No, you did not.
It's all on
no,
camera.
You did not.
I did.
All right.
I actually stepped out. Okay, well, that's fine. Regardless,
I got money.
I told you about
Glad
7
it's all
times to get
okay.
out of the car.
But you don't have to grab me. You was grabbing me and you was being rough when you didn't have to.
Ma'am, I wasn't even rough with you at all.
How you know you ain't rough to me?
I was holding you.
But you're being rough to me though.
Okay.
So you can't tell me you're not being
So
rough.
I'm giving you a lawful order to get out of the car, and you're refusing to
Please
do
don't tell me
it.
you're being rough.
To understand that.
Please, but don't tell me. You were just about to let me go.
So when we're asking you to
You
get
was,
out of the
but
car,
everybody was walking away.
No,
Everybody
we
was
were walking away.
You was walking away.
We were talking about
I was
the
talking
marijuana
to
coming
you.
from your car. This lady, she's got 8 weeks to be in the front, so she has to keep going around.
Yeah.
I'm trying to remind her she's not really free to move around.
I just need to move
down a little bit, okay? What's your name?
Lift me out the car so bad.
What's your name? Ashley? Okay. You live in the area?
I just moved here.
You just moved here from where? New York? Okay, got an up north accent.
I just got a shop right there.
You just got a what?
A tax shop.
A tax? Okay.
Office.
Okay. You're headed to work?
First day, I'm about to open it.
On first day? Okay.
He asked me a question I didn't want to answer. He's pulling on me.
Is there a reason?
Because he asked me a question.
I don't know what.
No, I'm just saying.
Just asking.
He asked me a question. He asked me what time I got my daughter off of school. Yeah. And I told him I don't want to answer that question. He told me to get out the car. I'm like, what am I get out the car for? He was yanking me.
Why didn't you, like, get out the car?
The woman continued to argue with the officer despite being in custody.
Okay. Listen to them. They're going to explain everything to you, okay?
So this is what we're smelling is marijuana, right?
Okay.
so you understand. You smell it.
Not my vehicle, okay.
But you're driving the car.
Okay.
I don't know why you're trying to make things difficult.
No, but I couldn't even find the insurance in the car. When you asked me for things, immediately I told her, "This is not even my car." I have to show you the text messages where I just said to someone, "Can I see your car?"
If you're driving a car, you're responsible for what's in the car. That makes sense? You're the only person driving this car. Nobody else is in this car. Just you. Right?
Okay.
Is that an accurate statement?
Right now, at this moment, I'm the only person driving this car. If I wasn't driving this car 5 minutes before me, it would just drop off to me.
Okay. I'm just explaining to you. When we get here, I don't know if you've been driving this car all day or if you just drove it 5 minutes ago. I don't know. All I know is this car smells like weed. I'm trying to talk to you about it. You eventually say I'm not going to answer that question.
You never asked me about no weed. You asked me what time I dropped my daughter off to school.
Yeah, I asked how old your daughter was, right? That's the first question I asked you. You said why? And I said because your car smells.
You're a stranger. You asked me about my daughter. I don't want to answer no questions about my daughter.
That's fine. And then when I told you the car smelled like weed, you said I don't want to answer any questions.
Because it's not even my car. When you pulled me over, all my windows was down, so I don't even know what the car smelled like. It was literally dropped off to me. I got in the car, dropped my daughter off, and literally came right here. This is not even 3 miles, 4 miles.
I just want to see if we can get on the same page with this is stupid. This is a little bit of weed. It's not a big deal, right? But when you're telling me you're not going to get out of the car, and I have to try to actually pull you out of the car, that's when you start getting into resisting.
Because what I'm getting out the car for?
Because your car smells like weed.
No,
I told
you
you I'm
didn't
going to
pull me
search
out the car. No, you told me exactly. We can look at the camera. You told me exactly. You said, you asked me questions about my daughter. I said to you, I don't feel comfortable, but you answered me questions about my daughter. You told me to get out the car. I asked you what I was getting out the car for. You was pulling me out the car, and you was telling me for weed. Well, we can look back
on it. I don't want to ask.
Listen, it's all recorded. But go ahead.
So right now, you have resisted without violence.
How about resisted? You pulled me out.
I told you about 4 or 5 times to get out of the car. You said, no, wait, I'm going to call somebody.
You're scaring me at this point. Yeah, you pulling me.
You're asking me how you
You would never let me call somebody. You wouldn't even let me answer my phone. So you know you resisted me. And when I'm asking you for a phone call, that don't even sound legitimate. You wouldn't let me make a phone call.
We're not talking about a phone call.
You just said that.
You said
while you was resisting me.
You said, hold on.
This Karen now faces charges of cannabis possession and resisting arrest. If convicted, she could receive a fine of up to $1,000, mandatory drug education or counseling, and possibly spend time in jail depending on the court's decision. Her sentence may also include probation or community service. This is indeed a chaotic situation, isn't it? Let's examine what viewers have commented on after the video was circulated. First, it's her car, and when the cops ask about weed, it suddenly isn't her car. How convenient. Love how the "I can't breathe" came out so quickly while she's chattering away. Too funny. She got quiet with the weed question. Staying calm and cooperative during a traffic stop is crucial. Refusing to comply can quickly turn a minor offense into serious legal trouble. This Karen is already a mess, so what about the next one? Let's keep watching.
Aggravated assault. I did not do anything to her.
On April 13th, 2025 in Florida, a pregnant woman reported that her neighbor threatened her with a metal pole during a parking dispute, and the threats continued beyond that.
We was gonna go and, to I'm sorry, I'm having a panic attack and I'm pregnant. We was gonna go right here across the street, the field, the softball field with the girls. Okay, so we was gonna go over there to hit, for a little bit, to practice.
A little bit, yeah.
Yes. So we was getting in the cars and I told them, hey, let me put the laundry really quick, because by the time that we over there, my laundry is watching.
Done,
but yeah. So I heard her when she was I was right there because my laundry is inside. So I was coming and she stood, my daughter was getting in the car and she's like, I'm like, you guys, I'm like, all your family, all of you, I'm like.
Did you hear that?
Yes, yes, literally, I heard it. So she had a metal pole right here, and she has a cone. So she grabbed it. So I got scared. No, a pole. She put it, look, that one right there. That one. She had it, she came over here with that pole. That one right there, that one right there. And a yellow
bucket?
Cone. Yes.
So she left?
That one. She picked it up, yeah. She picked it up and she had it. She said, I'm gonna kill you guys and I'm gonna kill all your family. So that's when I'm like, you crazy? Like, what the f is wrong with you, crazy? Told my kids to get in the car because I was going to take off, But and then she started saying, and she started taking pictures of my tag, and she's like, I'm going to have somebody kill you all. So I'm like, what's wrong with you? You know, like we didn't do it. So what I did was bring my kids, because by that time I was like, I don't feel comfortable leaving, when she took pictures of my tag, and you know, she sent it to people. I don't know. So it was that car came up just now, not too long ago, the gray car, and it was a guy. Yeah, not this one, but the one over there. So it was a guy that got out with a black bag and a beer and went inside the house. So I'm like, I don't know if that's the person that she called to. So I don't know. So I took off.
So is this the same person you've been beefing with for the
Her.
past 5 years?
Yes, that's her.
Okay.
She just called not too long ago, like maybe a month ago. She called Ua, the officer Ua, or Ua, something like that.
Yeah.
And she started lying. So even Ua got mad at her and told her, stop calling us for your bullshit, because she invent all kind of stuff, you know. So you can call him and ask him. And he came and knocked on my door once, and like crazy, and I'm like, what's wrong? You know, what happened? And that's when he's like, no, because she said that you were telling her stuff. And I'm like, sir, I'm inside my house, you know. No, I haven't said anything.
So are you guys going to a civil thing, or you guys
no,
are just...
nothing. I mean, it's crazy. She's always doing things to us, you know. Like she always, because I'm Mexican, but I'm a U.S. citizen.
With the statements being gathered, cops would now attempt to speak to the entitled neighbor.
Hello,
How you doing?
Thank you for coming.
Are you the other one?
Yes, I am.
Okay, what's going on?
What's going on is she keeps taking...
Okay, we're gonna go with this one. Because I've been hearing about this issue for years.
Okay, we got two problems going on. Number one, she keeps taking my parking spot with that big cement thing. I have 2 cars. We need every inch. I've spoken to Cindy. I get up to my side of the yellow line. She gets up to her side of the yellow line.
You guys have assigned parking? Or
Yes, we do. We
free
pay
all?
for it in our lease.
You get 2 spaces.
But she's, as you can see right now, and if she's moved it, I've got pictures.
Yeah.
In case she moved it while you, let me just show you how it was. I told her to get it on her side of the line. Then she went crazy. She yelled a string of profanity while my 3-year-old niece was out here. And I have my sister and my niece as witnesses. She screamed the worst profanity you ever heard in front of this 3-year-old little girl who was
What'd she
coloring
say?
on the sidewalk. She called me a bitch and all these filthy words and motherfuckers and all this in front of my 3-year-old niece.
And did you say anything to her?
No, I just told everybody, come on inside. And I went to go call you, and then I came out and I told her, I said, look, you can't do that. I'm calling the police. She said, I've already done it. I said, good, then we'll just wait.
Okay, so you didn't exchange any words with her?
I said to her, move her stuff on the other side of the line.
Okay.
Then she started screaming. So then I came out here and I told everybody, come inside. Then I came out and I told her by myself that I was calling the police. She said, police are already coming. I said, good.
So
That'll
did you
save me the
threaten her
time.
at all?
I'm sorry?
Did you threaten her at all?
Of course not. She's
I was sitting out here.
She is I just want to tell you, she's the biggest
I know,
liar
I've
you have
took-
ever seen.
I've took calls.
I've got 2 witnesses.
I've took calls about you guys. So
Okay.
Did you pick up any weapons at all?
Of course not. I've got 2 witnesses. She's just an enormous liar.
I get it, but like I explained to you, I've taken multiple calls
Okay.
about the same issue.
Yes.
And I've been in the academy for 6 months, and I've been in dispatch for a year.
No,
So-
I've got 2 witnesses. I've got 2
Right.
witnesses.
So did you pick up any weapons, metal
What
pipes,
weapons
anything at
do
all?
I have?
That's what I'm
Where are
asking
these
you.
weapons? There are no weapons.
Okay. You got
She's
your ID on
lying.
you? You got your ID on you? Okay.
Of course, absolutely. Here, let me show you the photo, just in case she moved it while y'all were going.
This is the video?
Here it is. Look at that. She's
is that
way
the-
over in my space.
Is that the divider all over
That's her
parking
divider.
space?
Yes, because I am supposed to buy, according to Cindy, I get up to the edge of this yellow line. She gets up to the edge of that yellow line. But look what she's doing. She's way over here on mine. I told her to move it because I have an SUV and another Kia that has to get in this 35.
All right, do me a favor, ladies. Get your IDs out and hand them to this officer.
The woman blamed the girl for taking her parking spot, speaking as if she owned the entire lot.
Well, because she wants to take up my parking spot for no good reason other than just to cause trouble. I have to park 2 cars in this space. I've got 2 witnesses and a 3-year-old baby that will come out and tell you the real truth. They were all sitting right out here.
Okay.
Problem is, I need all my parking. I've got an SUV and another little car, and she doesn't want to give it to me.
She'll have plenty of space in the middle, but she'll
I mean,
back her car.
there's a right way and wrong way of doing things. You could just talk to Cindy and let Cindy handle
It's
it.
closed.
Okay, then push it off till tomorrow when it's open.
Where are we going to park tonight?
There's plenty of parking around
No,
here.
there isn't.
There is.
There is not. There is not.
Okay.
And if we get towed, it's $550.
Okay.
I pay for my parking. I'm allowed to have my parking.
Okay.
And I need every inch to squeeze these two cars in. The night before last, we drove around, and had to find an extra parking spot somewhere. But we can't do that every night. They have a 3-year-old baby. They have a right to be able to park in my parking space that I pay for.
Is it a right or a privilege?
I pay for it.
Is it a right or a privilege?
It's a right. I pay
So
for
it's in
it.
it's in the.
It is in the
amendments?
lease.
Okay,
Yes.
it's in the amendments or is it,
It
in
is
the
in
lease?
the lease.
So it's a privilege. Go ahead.
I pay money for it. Let me get the other girl out here with the baby.
Okay, just hold off. I'm not the investigating officer. Somebody else is, so just hold
Okay,
on.
but he needs to talk to her too, because
Right,
she's
but he's in the middle of something
okay.
right now.
She
So when
yelled
he's ready.
all that profanity in front of that 3-year-old baby.
The worst thing is her own children are out there.
Yes, and she was screaming all that filth. But I came out and I told them all to come inside because I don't want my little niece subjected to that
I
filth.
understand.
Her own children should not be subjected. You should call DCF. That's
She's
ridiculous.
insane.
They also have 2 illegal aliens in there.
She does. She has 2 illegals that she hides in there.
How do you know they're illegal?
Well, because they're hiding. When they used to come out and try to threaten me, I told Cindy about it. And then when Cindy found out, then they started hiding.
Maybe
That's
they
how I
just don't
know
want
they're...
drama. That doesn't mean they're illegal.
Why else are they hiding if they don't
Because
have...
they don't want drama.
No, they were the ones threatening her before.
This Karen kept arguing with the officer and continued blaming the other woman for taking her parking spot.
Can you stop right here?
Okay.
I'm just going to read you something. You're not under arrest or anything. This is going to determine what's going to be the outcome of this
Okay.
situation right here. Okay?
All right, go ahead.
Just listen to me clearly, and everything I say, just, don't word it in your head. I got to read it word for word from this, okay?
Go ahead.
All right, so this is the Miranda warning. Okay, and having this right to mind, will answer my questions. I'm making statements right now. Okay, and have you asked any of these officers to speak to a lawyer or an attorney?
I'm sorry, what?
Have you asked any of these lawyers to speak to an attorney or
No,
anything?
why should I?
Okay, I just have to ask the question just to make sure. Okay, so give me, start to finish, what went down.
Okay, look at that right there.
Okay.
She's supposed to be on that side of the yellow line. Oh, come right over here.
Okay. I just need you to tell me. You already.
So I can show you.
You've.
She is supposed to be on this side of the yellow line. I get on this side of the yellow line. I pay $1,400 a month. She pays $1,400. She gets this side. Look what she's doing. Now, this is a problem because it is a tight squeeze. I have an SUV and I have that car because that's my friend's visiting. Now, she is doing this. She does, what's the hell? She's taking my space.
I mean, she's putting a barrier, but okay.
But she's taking
Okay,
my
so-
space.
so
I
give me-
told her, I
okay.
came out, I took a picture to send to Olga on Monday. And I told her, because she was standing right there, I said, look, you got to move this to your side. Then she came running out going, you motherfucker, you asshole, blah, 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 blah. So I went inside, because my little tiny 3-year-old niece was right there coloring. And my sister, and I said, all y'all come inside, because she's just cursing and screaming. She follows me in, she goes right there, and is cursing and screaming, asshole, motherfucker.
Where were you at when she was out here?
I was like right here, because I was right here, because I took a picture.
So
right
when
here.
so when she first came outside, you were already outside.
Oh yeah, well she was out here too.
Okay.
We were all out here. I took a picture. And she was standing right
And
there.
you
I
were
said,
playing
look.
at the time you were playing with your
Well,
your
they
granddaughter
were
or
in
your
there
niece?
playing. They were in there playing, my great niece.
Okay.
They were in there playing. I came out here, I took a picture right here. And they were standing right there. I said, look, you got to move this to your side of the line.
Okay, so she didn't say anything?
This Karen's biggest mistake was refusing to cooperate with the police, and that ultimately led to her arrest.
Go ahead and face that officer.
Okay.
Go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
All right. Are you seriously arresting me for this?
Aggravated assault.
I did not do anything to her.
Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question, ma'am?
Yes.
If she's taking your parking, why don't you pull up and take advantage of all your parking? Because this is only hanging over like a quarter of an inch.
Because that won't start. I need to
Okay.
have it jumped.
Gotcha.
Okay, so if your vehicle can't be moved, then why are you making an issue out of it?
Because he just went and bought jumper cables.
Okay. Do you have anything on you that's going to poke and stick and
No,
stab
of
me?
course not.
Okay. Like I said, I'm just going to do a quick search on you. If you got anything
Okay,
on
go
you,
ahead.
it's going to, you take it into jail, it's illegal, it's going to be an
Clark.
additional charge, okay?
Okay.
Clark.
Why is this no parking in Spanish?
not my witnesses.
There's a time and place to talk about it, ma'am.
Okay.
Got any questions?
I do. Why are you trusting her and not my witnesses?
Well, this is not the time or place. We'll talk about it in court, okay?
Okay, let's go. Hey, wait. Before we go anywhere, you got to make her move that thing back behind the line. She has to move it completely behind the line, or else I am suing like holy hell. I'm suing the police department. She must move it behind the line.
The thing is, we don't have anything to do about the parking spot.
You gotta make her move it.
Yeah, this is private property.
Make her move it. I demand it.
The woman now faces a serious charge of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. If convicted, she could be sentenced to several years in prison, fined thousands of dollars, or placed on probation depending on the court's decision. After the video was posted on the internet, people shared their thoughts in some comments. I will never shut up. That's the one true statement she made. Old people don't turn bad ... bad people turn old. Her real problem is that she believes that the Mexican woman is illegal, and it's driving her crazy. Aggressive behavior and refusing to cooperate with police can turn a minor dispute into a serious crime. Do you believe this Karen was overreacting? What do you think of these Karen? We're excited to hear your thoughts, and make sure to subscribe to Urban Law to keep up with this case and more updates.